In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find your referral code on Temu. So to start with, you first want to have your app open like I have here. And from here, we want to go into the bottom middle where it says you, and that will take us to this page here. Next up, we want to look for this bit that says earn credits and free gifts. Now, not everyone will actually see this section because right now it is only available for New Zealand, United States, Mexico and Australia. So what you could do is go to your settings and change your country and region to any of those, and you will be able to see this. But if you're not from one of those countries, you are not able to do this just yet. So I would recommend checking back every week or every month just to see if they have actually added it for your country. So if you do see this, you want to go ahead and click on it. And then you can choose any of these you actually want, but I'm just going to choose redeem cash. So the way in which this one works is you have to refer your friends, and then when they sign up using your link, you can get these coins, which you can then trade in for PayPal money. So the way to actually find your referral code is very simple. You just have to go to any of these games and you have to go to refer a friend. As you can see here, it's prompting me to refer a friend to spin again. So if we click on that, here's where we can actually find our code. So as you can see, there is one here, the second option in that says copy code. Or if you find it a bit easier, you could just copy the link. Or you can even just share it straight to your social media if that's easier for you. So all you have to do to get your referral code is click copy code here. And then there is my referral code. It will show you what you have to do. It tells you all the steps and what you have to do as well. So you have to refer friends to download Temu, and then they just have to search your code, and then you get a reward for each successful referral. So that is exactly how you find your referral code in Temu. So hopefully you did manage to find your referral code in Temu. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.